best part about Catalyst is being able to, in the school day, go off campus and just work and receive a lot of resources.
You don't have a teacher like over your shoulder, here's a paper, do this, do that, do that. It's really up to you and what you want to do with it.
They get to do what you're passionate about every single day, whether it's an internship or start a business.
We got passion projects, we got internships, and we got people making their own business.
I'm able to succeed and started my own apparel brand. I was awarded a $1,200 grant.
Was an internship, and I did it with a company called Confluence Kombucha.
I was with a second grade classroom at Reed. I got to be in math lessons and reading lessons with the kids.
I worked on a video game with 2 other people. I was one of the programmers. This project was kind of my first big experience with working on a team.
There's numerous different panels that we've had. We've had an entrepreneurship panel, a real estate panel, an organizational panel.
You get to learn from them. That's kind of cool because like you get to see like local people.
It's cool to see different businesses, how they run. It's fun to, get out. Field trips are always fun, so it's fun to get out, check out places, meet new people.
One of the biggest things I learned professionally was like time management.
Learning how to dress, what to say, how to shake a hand.
Definitely grown out of my shell with communicating with different people.
It's been very helpful so far to have people behind me, talking to people in the industry, to just be a functioning adult and be able to keep chasing after your dreams.